Good morning and welcome to Nice Work Pal. I'm Jim and we are here at the Animal Kingdom. There's not a lot new going on at the Animal Kingdom, but it's always a good time. We're going to find some good treats, ride some rides, and I'm thinking today I might ride the Kali River Rapids. I skip it a lot because it's Disney's version of Russian roulette. You're either going to make it through okay or you're going to get drenched. The other challenge today is the forecast calls for a little rain this afternoon, so we got to see what we can get done before the weather turns too sketchy. Anyway, come along. Navi River Journey, only 5 minutes. That's because it's early entry still. This is a nice short queue right now, but later on this will all be full. Navi River Journey is fun, but you do gotta watch the wait times. Early entry got us in 5 minutes. Just a few minutes later, the wait time is up to 50 minutes. I mean, it's a good ride, but it's kind of short, so just like that, we've gone from Pandora to Africa. It was just a ream away. Just to the right of the entrance of Kilimanjaro Safaris is the little Harambe fruit market where you can get our favorite treat here at the Animal Kingdom, the African street corn. So good. Here?
Yeah.
Alright, in second place for treats today is this Rice Krispie treat. It has little Mickey chocolate chips. That's so cute. Alright, I'm gonna do it. Kali River Rapids. My family has abandoned me. Nobody else is brave. But here I go. Like I said, Disney Russian roulette. Kali River Rapids. Lightning lane around the corner.
Jungle.
So if you're gonna go on Kali River Rapids, but you got a lot of stuff, they do have lockers just around the corner from the ride. So there's the rapids up ahead. Now, I haven't been on this in a really long time. And yes, if memory serves, there's like 8 people in the car. It does its little ride. It's a lot of fun until you get to the falls. And pretty much whoever's at the bottom, as it goes down, is gonna get water poured on them. And as I get on here, this is where I see wet people starting to get off the ride. There's a lot of people in line today. The fortunate thing is it is a warm day, so people are trying to get cool. And that means if I do get soaked, it will probably, at least initially, be refreshing. But then I will be wet. Soaking wet. Okay. It's about that time. I'm about to get on. Will I stay dry or will I get wet?
Bye, hope you enjoy your ride. Everyone get their shots up. Buckle your seatbelts. Get those seatbelts to use. Perfect.
Got my seatbelt on. Got my feet kicked up just in case things get rough. And I can hold on tight. Okay. Let's do this. I see rough waters up ahead. Oh boy. I think this is the big one. Oh boy. I might be okay here. Nope. I don't think I got the worst of it, but I was facing. Got a little splash. Ah! Who squirted us? Alright, just a few splashes on my shoes, on my pants. My shirt's kind of wet. I got like just the right amount of wet today. Refreshing. Alright, there were probably 2 people who got absolutely drenched on that boat. One person that was at least as wet as me, and then the other half of the boat, not so much. Luck of the draw. Fortunately, I got just the right amount of water to cool me down on this hot day, and I hope you enjoyed coming along with me for the ride. So, thanks for joining, everybody. Well, it's a good thing I didn't get wet on the ride.